Tell me what you do on a Sunday.
Hey, it's Faye. Don't mind my shirt. I literally spilt my Alani Nu. This girl, I got too excited. You know what? You're right. I shouldn't apologize for having low energy. I just honestly want to thank you guys for being so kind in my previous video. I feel proud of myself for getting myself back into a routine, even though things are still very, very hard and difficult. Mercury retrograde is coming to a close. Listen, Linda, we literally got through the hard part. Let's just trust in ourselves and the universe. We are exactly where we're supposed to be. I'm trying not to cry. Let's make it through this video because I got a huge haul for you guys. But before I start, please, if you know anyone, it may be your family, your grandpa, your uncle, if they or you watch the Detroit Lions and you guys have some sort of connection to them, whether that's their team, whoever at the Lions, please put me in contact with them. I just need something new and I want to do something in football. I don't know what it is, how I can't even get there, but I need connects. Okay, this is my one time. I'm begging y'all, if you know anyone in the NFL or anyone in the football space, I will personally fly myself out and literally bow down to you. I'm sounding desperate. Camry and Hyatt on TikTok has gone viral for this back to school season. She's been sharing the secret sauce. She's been giving you guys identical items from brand names that you can find on SHEIN. And I know this could be controversial. Not everyone can afford a $200 jean and a $100 shirt. She is doing the Lord's work showing us these dupes. This is the perfect time to share, especially for the back to school season. If anything, I got a lot of denim because you guys know I'm on my weight loss journey and things aren't really fitting anymore, and so I need to find petite jeans and whatnot. This is from the brand SHEIN. It has the cutest little bows. Can we appreciate that? Also, I know my editing is just gonna be very bland. Slowly I'll get back to where I was, but you know, life has taken a toll. I'm in this new space in my life where I'm learning to just be on my own. Yeah, it's been very lonely. I know I really need to give you guys an update, but until then. Wow, I didn't think these jeans would actually fit my waist. I got the biggest size they offered and it was a 30. Girl, how did I actually finesse this? It actually fits my body. It's not snug in the sense where it's like tight, it just like fits well. You guys know me and my luck with jeans. These are so cute. It's a nice light denim wash, and then you have these straps on your leg. It is a little lengthy, nothing that a shoe can't fix. Oh my god, I'm actually really impressed. They fit my body really nice, girl. Look at my tan. So you have a strap above the knee, on your shin, and at the end of this leg. And I love how you have like an alternate pocket right here. It's very cargo-esque. Why is it dark? I guess they forgot to dye one part. Okay, close that up. Love that there's a bow here and then there's a pocket here. And the fact that the quality is really nice and sturdy. I 100% know that boutiques like Princess Polly Princess, White Fox Boutique, all these other places you shop from, literally same. These feel so nice. They're not light on your body, so it's not like sinking into your pouch and your pooch. It's holding itself, and I think it's because of this thing. I feel like if you want to spruce up your outfit and find denim that like stands out a bit, but you could still be very plain Jane, these are the ones. They feel very baggy, loose, but then fitted, and so you're not drowning like how I'm drowning in my emotions. Pull yourself up, girl. I feel like it's been a hard month for a lot of us, so treat yourself. This is my point. SHEIN mod is definitely the aesthetic for girly girls. Bows, floral, anything that's just like cutesy. It's in there. So I just put on this cute little tank from the brand Daisy, which also this brand you can find literally on YesStyle. Holy scoly. Ignore the beaks. Baby birds are cool. You know me, I don't like going for horizontal stripes. However, I'm getting to a place where my body is starting to feel slimmed down and I'm feeling a little bit more confident to express my broader shoulders. I'm getting more definition up here. So I was like, you know what? I'm gonna do something outside my comfort zone. And I went with this nice peachy cream striped tank. It's so simple. It's high enough that you can still feel modest. You're not like showing cleave or anything. And I like how the tank scoops in a weird way. It feels almost like haltery. I do feel like it makes the busty trusties wider, which could be nice and fitted, especially since that waist is coming in. Let me tell you, girl, you may be lost, but at least you're finding your waist. Sorry, I use humor to cope. I know, bestie. I'm trying. So a lot of people on Cam's viral TikTok video said that this brand Daisy is a dupe for Brandy Melville. Sorry, I don't shop from them, so I'm not even that familiar. And or Abercrombie, and I totally see it. As you can see, Miss Girly here, she is busting it out. I'm like, how? Like, she must have to really pull it down or really like throw it up. It feels light and airy, and that's the energy I need right now. Even though it's striped across, usually makes me look wide, it's helping me look a little slim. It's making me look a little trim. You know, I keep saying it's not see-through, but I feel like maybe it is a little bit. I'm wrong about a lot of things. Totally keeping this outfit. I got these pants from the same brand, the SHEIN mod. Instead of going for the regular size, I went with curvy, and that was a big mistake on my end because they are way too big and wide. It would have been cute to have little bows on my pants, but this is just looking like way too out of place. It's not fitting the vibe. It cinches in right here and then it feathers out. Much excess fabric. I mean, they are cute though, but they're just look how long. It feels like it should be a skirt. Made pant holes, they cut it off straight. It doesn't fit my body, and that's why it's not picking up on me. It's not light and thin. It does have a little bit of substance to it. It does hold its place at least. It does not serve us. So these are a pass. Okay, I got something very similar. Don't put me in jail. These are tracksuit versions with the bows on the side. This is from the brand SHEIN Petite. Because it's petite, it should work out, right? I feel like today's haul feels like a pick-me-up kind of haul. Things aren't great, so hopefully putting on new clothes will help us feel better. Oh, at least, I mean, they are petite, but look at this. I have to really pull it down to not give me that camo. It's giving pizza slice. I'm gonna pair them up with these UGG dupes. Never in a million years, but I figured for fall, let's try something basic. I usually don't go for things like this, but they were kind of cute. According to Cam on TikTok, she said this brand choosing dupes for Uggs, Birks. These short ankle platform Uggs look very comfy. I mean, they feel very sturdy. I figured they'll be nice to just slip on and go out and run errands kind of thing. My feet is very small. I'm a 5.5. I could fit a 5 and I could fit a 6. This is a 6 though, I think. But if I wear socks, it'd be fine. Not bad. They're very soft on the inside. There's like fur. The pants are cute. I like that it is petite so it doesn't feel like it's overrunning my legs. Not overkill. I do like the bows on the side. I don't know. It's because my ass is too flat. I'm seriously thinking about putting filler in my butt. Why not? Yeah. Is this lifting me? It's okay, but realistically, this stomach FUPA area is not working. And I'm just trying to get better at like, oh, maybe I'll keep it because it's so cute. I'll fit it. I'll just lose like 5 more pounds. No. Toxic. I'm trying to just make decisions and go with it. Stick with it. Run with it instead of contemplating and wavering and being conflicted. So these pants are a no. These shoes though, they're so comfy. Like, I kind of like them. I kind of want them. I think I'm gonna keep these boots. And they're so inexpensive. Like, if they get dirty, so what? Who cares? Let go of control. I hope I don't have a heart attack. These pants are going crazy everywhere. We called out this trend in an earlier summer trend haul that I did. It has been popping off. This is also from SHEIN Petite, so I'm really hoping that it's not gonna give me that pizza slice in front. It has like the attached white part, so it looks like you're wearing boxers underneath PJs or like a mental health institute garment. Please, please, please. Nice! Ooh, girl. Ooh. This is the type of energy I'm trying to serve myself. Let's put these ugly cute Uggs on. I didn't think I actually like these pants. Here's the thing. It actually looks like this is supposed to be like very low rise, which, you know me, I can never make work. But because there's this white part, you still get to cover your stomach. However, from afar, it looks like you're wearing like a low-rise pants. And it's so nice. It's like a linen texture. It's the fact that it's petite and it's not like shoving my FUP and my apron belly into one area only. I don't know how flattering it looks like from the back. I didn't think I'd like this white layer as much. I was like, I kind of wish I didn't have that white, but the white helps. It cinches in your waist a little bit more. And then you have the cute little drawstring. You know that boxer look, the boxer trend in pajama form. You could wear this out, and if they get it, they get it. Some people might see this and think, what? How does she run away? How does she get out? That's on them. Pockets as well, and they're not just no like lame ass pockets. They're pretty deep. You know, sometimes you just want to wear something cozy and comfy out. Put on your hospitalization pants on. I realized I didn't buy a lot of like nice fancy tops. I just got a lot of like t-shirts. I wanted this to be more of like an everyday back to school inspired haul where you can still wear things like this to school. So there's just this nice little racer top. It's cute. I mean, there's nothing much to it. For someone who doesn't have a lot of torso, I like going for cropped t-shirts like this. And on an everyday basis, I just like wearing shirts like this anyway. I'm just trying to be a little realistic. Maybe a nice lift with a bra ski might help. Yeah, I mean, like the top is just so. I don't know if I love it. It's just a t-shirt. It's super inexpensive. So these are the nice jeans and I got them in petite. Wait, I'm a liar. These pants are not petite. So this is the brand SHEIN Icon. Not dupes for another like big name brand. However, they carry very Y2K 2000s aesthetic. And I'm gonna pair it up with this red tube top because we're here anyway, aren't we? I hate having waves of emotions. Like when I started this haul, I feel like I was doing okay, but I'm slowly starting to like lose my oh girl. Starting to lose a little bit of my energy, but that's okay. Comes and goes. You know, if you're going through something, don't expect things to be linear. Never. Highs and lows all day long. Trying to channel my negative energy into gratitude. Your brain chemistry really shifts into a positive space, even if that means it's only there for a little bit of the time. Anyway, back to this top. I actually like this top, except it's a little tiny. Then this little bikini top layer here so that you can cover up your nips, but my tatas go down here. I guess it meets the central area. And you have this stretchy ruffle strap that you could just lock her up, girl. I love the sharp diagonal in the front. Emphasizes your waist into like something smaller than it really is. It does hold onto the girls, so I do feel like they won't fall or flap. If this goes up any higher, it's see-through down here, so you can see the under boob skis and the central AC. My slightest concern, it goes up higher on the side, falls into a little tail. Maybe if I pull it down more, but then like half the chest is exposed. I have very long udders, okay? It feels a little more elongated than I would like. It's cute if I lived in Miami. Again, I am in Michigan, girl. I'm in Lansing, Michigan. What am I gonna do out like this? I'm like not in that phase anymore. It's weird. So maybe I won't keep this top. These pants as well, they're just way too big on me. Perfect for curvy girls. If you have a lot of legs, those juicy honey thighs, I highly recommend these pants because there's so much room for that like curvature. This girl makes it look super trendy as well. This waist fit, like this would be the most ideal. Not tight, not loose. Shows the belly button, mid-rise. It fits really well on my stomach. And for an apron belly girl, an apple shaped girl, it's not gonna vacuum seal this area, so your stomach's not protruding. It's a very apron belly friendly jean, but not thighs for me. I guess we're gonna pass on this outfit. Let me try. So this top and these jeans are from Daisy. Again, a very nice dupe for Brandy Melville and Abercrombie. Oh, kind of funny. I got them in petite. I didn't know Daisy would carry petite, honestly. Again, I'm having issue with the wideness in my leg. Let's pair this outfit with these Birkenstock shoes. Ooh, very nice and comfy. They're platform. What am I doing? The shoes are good, but not with this outfit. Let's talk about the shoes first. I really like these platforms. They're squishy and they actually fit my feet. I always just wear my purple Crocs, so I needed to replace them with slip-ons I can just wear without feeling so like attached. I think just in general I needed like slides to be out and about, and these are perfect. They're super squishy. So this top was so cute on her. Like she was slaying it. I'm really shocked because knowing that this is like an Asian brand, their size would be smaller, obviously. I got the biggest size in this shirt, which was an XXL. That's actually just an 8 to 10, which is me right now. It's actually more loose than anything. Around this area is pretty loose, and this area. Again, if I wear like some support, maybe it'll help, but I would like this in a size smaller. Cooling long sleeve for fall, because we're falling into that transition right now, and we're closing out summer and going into fall, which I was so excited for this year. I love football season. I just thought this would be a really nice piece to have as we go through fall and not lose like your fun, vibrant sparkle. I just wish it was more fitted, so definitely gonna exchange this size down. I think it's like good quality. I'm surprised. Again, Daisy is an Asian brand, so when they said petite, I was like, whoa. I see the petite in terms of like the length, but I don't like how it fits again around my thighs. It doesn't feel as flattering, and so definitely letting go of these jeans too. I put back on these jeans just to pair up with this t-shirt from also Daisy. The reason why I got this t-shirt is pretty obvious. It's because it says Michigan and I'm from Michigan. So I just got this t-shirt. Really long and lengthy like this, but I think if I bunch it and like tuck it in somehow, some way, it's nice. And I love the longer sleeves. Please let me know if you guys live in Michigan. I need new friends, new community. These are red ballet flats from Shuzia again. I love that they're like this very cherry red and they have these Velcro straps all across. Let me put on these shoes real quick. I'm trying to get out of my comfort zone, you know? The buckles are kind of hard to get into. I'm excited to go see my friends today. They live an hour away, but I will make the drive. Okay, I guess it's kind of hard to see. I do like the pop of red. I really do. I'm just not sure how I would style it. Obviously not with this outfit. Like so foreign to me. I think the pants is throwing it off though. Like how would I wear these out? This is supposed to make me feel better, but this is actually not helping. I guess we'll leave these up for grabs. Ah, I look like a toddler. I don't know. Okay, I don't love them. So I don't think so. So I got this oversized t-shirt. Again, I'm very into like jersey oversized tops because I just like throwing them on and they're very cute. I like it because it has the number 22 on it and that's my birthday date and it's pink. And you might be wondering why I have only one side of a shoe on. So I got this shoe because again, I'm trying to expand. My feet is so small. I have literally like an inch left. They're a little bit more chunky than I realized and I don't love how chunky they are. Maybe I should start looking at kitten heels because I feel like I can make do with those even though they're tiny and there's like barely no support. If this is your aesthetic, super cute for fall, some long socks, a skirt, yes. And that's it for this TikTok inspired viral SHEIN dupes name brand haul. It was inspired by Camry, so thank you so much for giving us the sauce. I hope you go into September with the intentions of a better rest of the year. You can only go up from here. Be open to receiving as you learn to accept. Love you. Bye.
Tell me what you do on a Sunday. I'm tired of all these Friday nights.